Why does the alarm clock stay closer to the bed? Have you ever asked yourself this question? So we can make it shut the f up when it goes off, right? Welcome to Smarts on Flake. In this video, we're gonna look at 6 terrible morning habits we are all guilty of, plus one which I'm suffering from personally. I'll share that with you at the last part of this video. If this is your first time here, punch the subscribe button right in the face and share this video with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Number 7. Checking your phones for new notifications first thing after waking up. The thing with mobile phone hardware and software these days is they are designed to stick to you like super glue. Impossible to let go. Checking your phone in the morning actually isn't a bad thing, but since you can't be in control of whatever notifications BBC, CNN or Al Jazeera throws at you, you'd better not check your notifications in the morning. Just imagine waking up in the morning only to read shark bites off the head of a pregnant woman. Imagine what that is going to do to your day. Number 6. Not doing any form of exercise before starting your day. When we hear the word exercise, what comes to mind is the treadmill, dumbbells and barbells. A simple stretch, wall sit or push-up does magic to your day. Do you also know that morning exercise helps you burn off more fat throughout the day? Habit 5. The washroom disease. Okay, so here is another one. Something I believe everyone on this planet has ever done before, and the majority still do it. So I admit, right, just sitting there and staring at the wall like a moron doesn't help. So you got to entertain your eyes by looking on your phone and playing some games or maybe watching a video or two. Here's the thing. You finish doing it, you wipe and flash. Doing these things gets your hand infested with germs. You pick up your phone, put it back into your pocket, go wash your hand and back to your phone again. Oh, you got a call. Let me not go into details with this one. You already know what is likely to happen. What's the best thing to do? Get yourself a book. Easing yourself while reading a book is like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Number 4. Showerless mornings. So the best excuse you can come up with this one is, dude, it's winter and you know winter mornings are the coldest. Yeah, I know. That's true. Our skin needs water just as our system needs it. Taking a shower refreshes your mind and body, makes you feel alive. Nothing can replace what water does to your mornings. So whenever you feel like not taking a shower because you are late or doesn't feel like it, remember, a warm morning shower, punctuated by a few minutes of cold water at the end, can energize your body and help stimulate the lymphatic system. This is really great for people with oily skin because it opens up the pores and cleanses the oil buildup during the night. Habit 3. Cracking the what to wear mystery case. Spending an infinity at the wardrobe cracking the what to wear mystery case is something we all do. And the funny thing is, we sometimes think ladies do this the most, but guys have become part of the trend. The habit of not knowing what to wear just after opening a wardrobe is a great time waster. The best way to solve this Sherlock Holmes case is to know what you're gonna wear the next day before you sleep. Do support this channel by subscribing now. Habit 2. The Saturday epidemic. Friday evenings are the best evenings. Every busy office worker or student will agree to that fact. But hey, the fact that it's weekend doesn't mean it's a national sleep day. Waking up early boosts your energy level for the day, makes you productive and help you achieve more with the little time everyone has. Habit number 1. The out, in and out loop. Okay, this is one habit I am guilty of. I do it like every day, unless I don't go out. But when I go out, I would have to come back for something I forgot to carry. So this is how I tackle this problem. I spend about 2 minutes writing what I'm gonna need to carry out. I'm serious right now, no kidding. Like literally, write it down. Okay, now I'm set to go. Damn, I forgot to lock the door. Share your ideas in the comment section about how I or anyone else could tackle this problem. Thanks for enjoying this video. Hope you can relate to it and catch you in the next one. Peace.